First, we're going to install the walls. And this is optional because this side you lift up and move it around. And this one, I recommend you install this side. Use the M6 bolts. We need a 4 for each wheel. Nuts are on the other side. Use an M10 wrench to tighten them. Do the other side of the wheel as well. Now we need to decide which side you're going to put the pole or the stand. So let's say if we choose this side. You can choose this side or this side. Let's say we choose the right. Install the feet. All these 3 corners except the corner you choose to install the stand. Find the plates that's together with the stand and screw in the feet as the feet. Screw into the low side. And leave it like that. Down the scale. Screwing the M6 bolts to the 2 holes right here. Do not go all the way. Slide the stand. And line up the hole in the back. And screw in the back then. Tighten. Into the stand. Lift up the scale. And take the other end out. Open the cover of the plug and insert the plug and secure it with the side ring. Install the bracket of the indicator. There's 2 M6 bolts. Side. Put the indicator inside the bracket and secure the indicator with 2 knobs. Plug in the indicator and secure